When it comes to using a cue system, I try to use major headings as sort of an outline or a structure for my cue sheet. I try to keep my information on at least one sheet, maybe two sheets if possible, and I use pictures and keywords and symbols to help me remember what to say. I do not write out word for word on a cue system my speech, because I would be tempted to stop and read it, and then I can also easily get mixed up when I'm trying to find my spot in my writing. So sometimes I've written it out beforehand just to learn it and practice, but the actual cue system I use on presentation day would look something more like this. And so I have an introduction and my three major headings. So when I'm ready, I start to fill in what I want to say, again using, words or pictures or symbols, graphs, whatever I can use to help jog my memory as to what I've prepared to say. So in my introduction, I have a couple major words that I want to remember. So with the color scheme, I'm going to, say that green are going to be my sort of subtopics underneath my main topic. So if the main topic is identifying a quality relationship, what that means, the smaller topic under that was time, identifying what quality time means to you, and then I'll choose another color for examples that I want to remember. And I'll just continue to use this strategy for every point that it makes sense that I use the strategy, and sometimes I can insert other objects. I sometimes will enter an image into my cue system to help me remember that I want to talk about this example. It's just better sometimes than words, and it does the trick. So for the most part, I just use words to help jog my memory, pictures, a few symbols here and there, but I want to capture as much as I can on one piece of paper so I don't have to be flipping around. You use what cue system works for you. You're going to find something that you can use that makes sense. Just as long as you don't write everything out word for word and read it straight from a paper, any cue system is acceptable.